Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a battle of the titans. It's the Apple iPhone 12 versus the Samsung Galaxy S22. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a showdown for the ages. Alright, let's talk about the money, honey. The iPhone 12 is priced at $397. Apple fans argue that you're also paying for that premium build and iconic design. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 comes in at $379. A little cheaper, but just enough to buy yourself a fancy latte or two. Reviewers appreciate the value for money that Samsung offers with this price. So Samsung wins the price round by a nose hair. Next up, the display. The iPhone 12 rocks a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. Reviewers love its color accuracy and brightness, describing it as a visual treat. But wait, the Galaxy S22 struts in with a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+. It's like having a mini IMAX theater in your pocket. Users rave about the smoothness and vivid colors. Sorry, Apple, but Samsung takes this round. Now let's talk about cameras, because let's be real, we all want to look good on Instagram. The iPhone 12 has a solid camera setup with great color accuracy and ease of use. However, Samsung is flexing with a 50 megapixels camera, LED flash, and 1080p video recording. Users say it's basically a professional camera that can also make phone calls. So, if you want your selfies to look like they were taken by a professional photographer, the Galaxy S22 is your guy. Alright, battery life and performance. Because no one likes a phone that dies faster than a goldfish in a toddler's hands. The iPhone 12 has been tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum of 80% battery capacity. Reviewers find it reliable but not extraordinary. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 comes roaring in with an octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB storage. Users praise its speed and multitasking capabilities, calling it the Usain Bolt of smartphones. Sorry, iPhone, but Samsung is running circles around you in this category. Looking at the reviews, the iPhone 12 is praised for its premium feel, reliable camera, and good customer service, but faces criticism for audio quality and battery health. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is lauded for its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced camera capabilities, though some users have faced issues with face recognition and connectivity. There you have it, folks. In this epic battle between the iPhone 12 and the Galaxy S22, it looks like Samsung has taken the crown. But hey, at the end of the day, it's all about what works best for you. Are you Team Apple or Team Samsung? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay tech savvy. Product links are in the description.